Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, let me quickly show you the way that you can fix the can't join WhatsApp group issue. So if you're having issues joining a particular group on WhatsApp, the first thing that you need to do is request a new link. So from the admin of a particular group, if the current link that you've provided is not working, then you'll need to ask for a new link. Only a new link from a admin should work, so make sure you request it. The second thing that you can do is request or ask them to manually add you. The admin of a group can either send you a invitation link or can add you manually. So this is the second option that you have if you're having issues with it. Now some groups may require the approval of some members inside of this group, so make sure that you also ask them to approve your request of joining. So let's say someone has sent you an invitation link. Even if you click on that invitation link, the admin or some member of the group may need to approve new members. So make sure that it is not also the case. And lastly, if you've left the group twice previously, you must wait at least 24 hours before you can rejoin or can be re-invited. Now, if this is not the case with you, what you can now try out is try to clear the cache of the WhatsApp app on your device. So what you can simply do is tap and hold the app and head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of this section, head over to storage and then tap on clear cache. If this solution is also not working out for you, then lastly what you can try out is try to uninstall the WhatsApp app from your device and then again re-download it. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue.